Hello, my name's Lizzie from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Nissan X-Trail 1.6 dCi N-Vision 4-wheel drive, which is a diesel manual. This vehicle is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with, then you have your LED daytime running lights, which are brilliant for making you more visible, especially to other road users. Along with 19-inch 5-split spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing the black exterior colour. This vehicle also features keyless entry, which is brilliant for allowing you to lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the car, you can find that this vehicle does in fact have a 7-seat configuration, allowing you to carry up to 2 extra passengers. And when those extra seats are down, you can also see that you have a large amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the graphite cloth upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front of the vehicle, you can find your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 55,166 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving, along with a navigation system allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. Along with aux connectivity, allowing you to listen to your own music whilst on the go, and you also have a 360 view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You can also find your dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and the airflow direction. And of course you have a 12-volt socket along with your USB and aux port, allowing you to connect external media to the vehicle. This has been a presentation on the Nissan X-Trail 1.6 dCi N-Vision 4-wheel drive that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.